payroll reports. There's an extensive range of payroll reports in QuickBooks Online. In this section, we look at the reports Carol likes to produce for her clients. You can learn more about QuickBooks payroll report packs in the Payroll Fundamentals course in our training centre. What Carol does is from the Employees button, she'll click on the Reports. And you can see there are quite a lot of reports that you can choose from. You have the Payroll Reports column, the Employee Reports column, Time and Attendance, ATO reporting and report packs. Let's take a look at the main reports. Under the payroll, let's take a look at the detailed activity report. This gives you a breakdown of activity by location per employee over a given period of time. Let's choose the date. So we'll just say the financial year, run report. And you can see it's broken down into hours, gross earnings, pre-tax deductions, if there are any, tax-exempt earnings, taxable earnings, PAYG, STSL, SG Super, employer contributions, net earnings, employer liabilities, and you've got a gross and super column total as well. You can download the files via CSV, Excel, or PDF. And each report has a different field that you can choose from. Apart from the date range, you can see you can choose from different pay schedules. The earnings location, if we had more than one location, you could choose a particular location and just get the report up for that particular location. And group by the earnings roll-up reporting location, employee default location, or again, the earnings location. As I mentioned, each report that you will go into has different fields that you can choose from to filter down your reports to be able to give you a lot more reporting access to the payroll earnings. And of course, you show post-tax deductions or location totals only. Let's click out of this one. So some of the other main ones that we look at are the employee payment history, gross to net, Payrun audit report. That's a great report because it does show you the full Payrun. Details for a given Payrun includes earnings, super, payments, bank payments, leave, and deductions. The PAYG withholding report, that's a breakdown of the PAYG withheld per month for a given date range. Payroll tax, if you want to do payroll tax, you can actually set it up that you've got different states with different payroll tax. So have a look at that if you need to submit the payroll tax. Super contributions, this is the super contribution report. And of course, the super payments, which is where the super is paid via the Beam clearinghouse directly to the employee's superannuation fund. Under employees, this is one of my favourites, the leave history, because this shows you the actual accrual for each employee for each different leave. Time and attendance, of course, you've got rostering, ATO reporting, you've got single touch payroll if you need to review the pay events and submit updated events to the ATO. And of course, you've got the report packs, which we look at in another course called the Payroll course. Carol has now completed the Payrun and reviewed a number of reports. She's now going to look at automating the payment of superannuation contributions as something that Damien is keen to implement.